All right, so my name is Victor Efughi. I am your sponsor to this amazing HBA system. All right, so I want to say welcome to the HBA and welcome to our team. All right, now listen. For joining our team, we have what is called the free traffic system. Okay, so with the free traffic system, we are able to help our team members get complimentary free traffic to their link. All right, so this is awesome. So let me explain how that easily work. So now that you have joined our team, what you want to do is this: you are immediately qualified to receive continuous free traffic to your HBA link from our system. Okay, so all you needed to do is to send me your HBA link. Now, why are we doing this? We have noticed that it is very, very difficult for brand new beginners to get traffic, right? So because of that, we decided in our team to give our members free traffic, and this could potentially help you get free leads. It's going to help you to build your email list and hopefully get you those free sales. Okay, now, so all you needed to do, since you're already a member, you just need to send me your HBA affiliate link so that I can add you to our team free traffic system. All right, very, very simple as that. All right, so once I add you to the system, we start sending traffic to your link. We start building we start getting you leads, build your email list, and hopefully get you sales for free, literally. Okay, now another thing you want to do, you want to add me and follow you want to add and follow me on Facebook. That would be great, so that you can communicate with me at any time you want, because if you have any question, you can get across to me and talk with me. So make sure you connect with me on Facebook. Then the last thing I want to say is this: now, I highly recommend that you upgrade to an all-in membership with the HBA, because with that, you could potentially earn unlimited $500 commissions per sale, guys. That's amazing. So I highly recommend that you upgrade to the all-in membership with the HBA. And if you have any question, please get back to me as quickly as possible. All right, awesome.